Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy the video. It's me, Rishna. We're in Rishna's universe, and we are going to be doing an unboxing of iPod 11. And what is it? And we're also going to do we're gonna set it up and everything. So let's go.
And the Apple Pencil.
And the Apple Pencil. Yeah, your voice. I took off my address because I don't know y'all like that. So pretty. Look at it. Okay. We're gonna look at that peel. So nice. Okay. Trash. Here we go. That box. It's pretty. Okay, while I'm opening this as best I can, I want to tell you that it took a while for me to get this because I think I'm the only one that probably engraved mine because, well, why not engrave it? I don't know. I think we do this. We're gonna wipe it all nice and good. I really thought it would be bigger than this, but I guess that's the 12 Pro or 11 Pro, I guess. And then I guess we're gonna use the dry wipes. Still trying to figure it out, so bear with me. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Let's do the dry wipes. Okay, I'm gonna get back to you when I put the case covering on because it's gonna take me a while. I know it. Opened it. We have connected the Apple Pencil. So I'm gonna open. Hold on. I need my face to open. So here we are. The pencil works. Boom. So that's it for this segment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. My next segment, I think I'm going to use it to show you what I downloaded on it. And how
what's on my iPad.
Exactly. What's on my iPad will be my next video. So stay tuned. Goodbye, y'all. Thank you for visiting Rishna Universe.